My name is Noah Hoptamichael. I'm currently a student at Baruch College. I'm currently doing my grad study. And today I'll be presenting our startup, GenAIx, which we've been working on for the past 9 months. This topic is really near and dear to my heart since I grew up in Ethiopia and I saw the impact that education and technology has firsthand. When we worked on developing an app, like a simple book app, which made books available for my high school kids when I was in my junior year of high school, when I was 11th grade. And that showed me the impact that education and technology has to change people's lives to make it better. And this is what actually inspired me to dream bigger and to work on companies that can actually change the world. That led me to pursue my undergrad in industrial engineering in Germany. I got a scholarship to do industrial engineering, which is all about making processes better from a process perspective. And I got a chance to work at Mercedes-Benz as a consultant after graduating, and I worked there, improving their financials. But my whole dream has been to actually, build companies that improve the world, like has an impact in the world. That's why I moved to New York City 2 years ago to start my grad school at Baruch College. And we started GenAIx 9 months ago with the idea to help people learn more about AI and also help companies implement AI in their solutions. So without further ado, what GenAIx does is we help create future-ready people and future-ready companies. 80% of employees believe that AI will definitely impact their jobs, but only 15% receive AI training. And there's 80% chance that AI will definitely be part of everyone's life and every company. A large percentage of companies, almost 83%, consider AI to be a top priority in their business plans. So what issue we're solving is that businesses struggle with AI adoption. Like almost 85% of AI projects fail. 80% of employees lack AI skills. Like when I mean AI skills, it's not just using ChatGPT, but then using different AI tools that can automate daily work in the corporate workplace. Like all the new tools available, all the advanced AI tools out there. This is leading to billions lost in inefficiencies. Without proper education, almost 60% of employees feel unprepared to use AI. And this slowly, kills innovation and adoption. At the same time, there's this fear employees have of losing their job. So we came up with a simple solution. GenAIx, we have a simple AI education platform. It's like on our website, which helps businesses and also almost everyone, people, to adopt AI successfully into their business setting. So we have videos that are very specific, helping people apply these skills. We teach videos. You can find videos such as AI tools used in finance with specific case studies, how to use the AI skills in healthcare, how you can use it. So we offer AI skill training. Our AI consulting team, we have 8 AI consultants. They have deep expertise in creating custom LLMs, but also understanding AI and helping companies actually help them create custom tools, but at the same time do an assessment, help them figure out, this is like the best place to start with AI. This has the best ROI. This has the best, these are the risks. So this is helping different companies guide them. And what is the market size? So the AI education consulting market is rapidly expanding every day and is driven by the increasing demand for AI adoption. So the corporate AI training market is valued as $16 billion at 2023, but it's projected to grow to $47 billion by 2030. And this is like an annual increase of 16.2%. And the AI consulting market is currently valued at $97.4 billion, but it's expected to grow to $184.2 billion by 2030. And the AI software market is currently at $160 billion, but it's projected to grow to $1.8 trillion. And GenAIx is sitting in the middle of all these 3 things. We're combining training, consulting, and we're creating AI products. Our consulting team is creating targeted AI products bit by bit, and they can create these products in a matter of 2 weeks because they're very flexible. They're using agile methods, they're using sprints to develop these products. So our simple strategy is we grab as much attention as possible through media. So we've been posting consistently on LinkedIn, Instagram. We have podcasts on YouTube. We host LinkedIn free webinars every 2 weeks on LinkedIn. And now the plan is also to show and build in public. That way people are still learning about AI. and then we educate and give value to our education platform, and then we grow our loyal clients for both the education platform but also for our consulting services. And our go-to-market strategy is we are building enterprise partnerships, different AI startups, but then direct sales, we're building a sales team to have a direct sales approach. And we're building thought leadership, and we're building the brand GenAIx to be the leading brand in AI adoption. Our head of AI, Jaime, was actually invited at MIT last week as one of the AI panelists, which also involved like top AI leads from Dell, Disney, and GenAIx was one of the companies actually invited, out of the 3 companies invited for that call. So yeah, we're building thought leadership, we're building a brand identity, and we're helping people use AI, and then we want people to trust us in their AI adoption journey, also companies to trust us in their AI adoption journey. And the concept is the revenue streams are our AI training and upskilling will be a subscription-based business. AI education platform, we have like an individual plan, which is like $20 a month, but then we have a corporate plan, which is $2,000 a month. For consulting, we have one-time retainer fee, or for our assessment, we have one-time fees. And AI automation and implementation for our products, we have specific pricings, and we can also price them in a way there will be a subscription base instead of like a one-time fee. And we're also partnering with different AI tool providers to promote and sell their tools, but then we can also get affiliations whenever our customers use their products. On customer discovery, our sales team did a survey, and they found they asked 37 companies what their issues were, if they were interested in a survey, what their biggest problems and risks in adopting AI are. And they found out that most companies wanted to implement AI. They tried projects, some worked, some didn't work, but then the interest showed that almost 60% of the 37 companies we surveyed were actually interested in our services. And the competition is, we have Udemy, Coursera, this providers, they only provide general education. It's focused on individual learners rather than your enterprise needs. We are meeting enterprise needs with education, so actionable education is what we focus on. And the consulting companies like McKinsey, Accenture, they're only focused on consulting, and they have like broad range of consulting. They're not focused on just AI. So what we have is we have the education and the media, which builds trust compared to McKinsey and Accenture, and we're mixing these two worlds together with media, which makes us stand out of our competition. And this is the team. Over the past 8 months, we built this amazing team of almost 20 people, 8 full-time AI consultants, interns in marketing, and also we're building a sales team. And also our platform dev team already finished the platform. Now we're just posting video, and the next key hires are education content creators. And our vision for 2028 is to be a holding company, is to go public, but then our identity will be to use this consulting and education advantage to actually, help promote our products and hopefully evolve those products into companies, but then also acquire other AI application focused companies and become a holding company for AI application based companies. This is the goal we have for 2028. Our achievements today is that we launched our platform. We're discovering early pilot projects. We're gaining an industry interest to all the media efforts we've been doing. We hosted 6 AI seminars. We built a strong team, and our first ever round, we are raising $3 million in exchange for 8% of our company, and we're looking for strategic investors who can help us scale this company, go over the platform goals and initial marketing, and helping people know more about this platform, drive more traffic to the platform, and give more value and trust. And 1.5 million will be used for scaling operations, expanding the sales team, expanding our customer acquisition team, and having this more diverse client base around enterprises. Year 3, we'll be planning on using the rest of 500K towards expanding the brand, but also focused on actually creating the AI products and softwares, which is actually in the biggest growing market, which is almost projected to grow to $1.3 trillion. So yeah, this is my story, and this has been our journey at GenAIx.